Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a new Hobby Lobby clearance haul, and let me show you what I found this week. My haul from Hobby Lobby this week is quite short, but I did find some amazing items. So I picked up some alcohol ink, and these were on sale, these colors here. I have the azalea purple, and it looks like that. See there? I like that color. And these were regular $3.99, and I paid 99 cents. I also picked up the pale pink, carmine. It's like a watermelon color. I like that one too. And then there's this one. This is ultramarine. It's like a blue purplish color. And this one, the light turquoise. I like that one too. It's almost a teal color. Really cute. So I'm quite happy I found these. Add that to my supply box for future projects. And let me move these aside. I also found the cutest chalkboard ever. Look at this. I like it. Well, let's see, regular price was $3.99. I paid 99 cents. This is really cute. It's shaped like, those nameplates. I guess you can use it as a nameplate too, but I like this one. It's really cute. I plan to use this in a future project. I'm not sure exactly how, but I think it'll look really cute because we do have Halloween coming up, right? And I can always design something on here for each season, and I can, at the end of the season, I'll just have to take a picture, erase it, and go on to the next season. But I like this one. This is really cute. I thought it was a very good find, and I thought the price was excellent. That is all the clearance items I picked up this week. See what I mean? Very short. But I did pick up a few items that were on sale, and let me show you. So Easter is 40% off still. This was $1.49. These tiny little eggs, and I paid not very much at all, like 90, let's see. Oh, I paid 89 cents. So I picked up 2 of these small eggs, and I was thinking about painting them and to see how well chalk paint will stick to these kind of eggs. I've yet to try painting some plastic eggs, so that's why I picked these up, and I want to give it a try and see how well that works out. And then I picked up some chalk paint. This was regular price, but I needed these, so I went ahead and paid $1.99 each. Well, actually, you know what? They gave me 30% off this. So I paid $1.39 each. Well, that was nice. Okay, good. So I picked up the castle. It's like a grayish color, if you can tell. And then I also picked up Barely Pink. And it looks like that. So I yet plan to use this to make some speckled eggs. I'm going to give speckled eggs a try anyways. So that's why I picked those up. And then I also picked up some ribbon. The ribbons department was on sale at 50% off. So I picked up some floral ribbon. So this one was $1.99. I paid 98 cents each. And the size is 1/8 by 30 feet. So I picked up this silver metallic. Look at that. I like that color. So I picked up 60 feet of it because I needed I felt like I needed 60 feet of this ribbon. And then I also picked up some sheer ribbon. These are 7/8 inch by 30 feet. They are $3.99 and I paid $2 each. So I picked up this one. Look at this. This is it's a gray sheer ribbon and it is wired. Look at that. So I like that it has it is wired. Cute. And then I picked up the white sheer ribbon, and this is also a wired ribbon. And this one. This is a dark purple sheer ribbon. Look at that. So the three of them together like that, I think it'll be really cute. I was thinking that to use this as a bow for my carrot. Hopefully you watch my mesh carrot. My carrot, it really needs a bow, a special bow. So I was thinking about using this on there. I do have some orange and purple in my supply box that I might add. But if I do this, just kind of like toss my sheer ribbon in there, look at how cute it is going to be. I'm hoping it'll be cute anyways. I like those. They're very cute. So those are floral ribbons. And then I picked up one more, which is this one here. The his and hers section, or studio his and hers, was also at 50% off. So I picked up this one. This one was $5.99 and I paid $3. It is 1.5 inch wide by 5 yards. I like this a bit. Look at this. How cute is that? I think this is a new ribbon. I don't remember seeing it before. Because I kind of went through, you know how they have clearance and then they start bringing out all the new merchandise that they're going to start carrying. So that's why I went down the his and her aisle and I noticed this. So, and I thought it would make a cute addition to any project I want to add it to. And it is wired, so which is a good thing. And you got the pearl running down the center of the ribbon there. It is very cute, right? I like it. So that is what I found at my Hobby Lobby this week. My Hobby Lobby has a couple more sections that they added to their clearance markdowns. They have the aisle where all these chalkboards are, because there's a lot of stuff on sale that I did not pick up. They have like the chalk labels, you know, the ones you find at Dollar Tree. They're shaped labels. Those are all on sale. So if you guys need some labeled, already cut chalk labels, the Hobby Lobby is the place to go. And then they do have other signs that are chalkboard that they have also. Let's see what else they have. Let me think right quick. The macrame area is also starting to go on clearance. I found a bunch of rings and they're little, I think they're connector tubes or something, maybe decorative bead. I don't know what it is, to tell you the truth. Those were on sale in the macrame section. And then all their arts book, those are all on sale. And then they have the down this aisle where you'll find the alcohol ink, they have the gessos. Those are on sale now too. and it's the heavy gesso that's on sale. So if you need heavy gesso, definitely stop by and pick that up. You know, if you like working with the heavy gesso, that is. And let's see what else they had on sale. Oh, you know, I went down the fabric aisle. Their fabrics are starting to go on clearance. I didn't pick any up because I didn't really, the fabrics that they had on clearance didn't really interest me, so I didn't pick up anything from there. And then there's also, if you need like some electrical cords, those are on sale. Oh, and there's a bunch of tiny fairy lights with, they're like picture hangers, lighted picture hangers, I guess you call it. Those are on sale too. And they're like decorative signage. That light up sign, those are on sale also. I will add some photos for you so you can take a better look at what I'm talking about, because I probably don't make sense. But yeah, so this was what I found at my Hobby Lobby this week, the one here in town. And I just also wanted to say that I live in Savannah, Georgia. So, in case, you know, I think I mentioned it once a long time ago. So if you live in Savannah, Georgia, or near the area, all this stuff is going on sale. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching my haul today. Thank you for stopping by to watch my Hobby Lobby haul today. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.